today we are going to discuss one of the most important topic of chemistry, that is periodic table and its classification. Today we will discuss complete introduction of periodic table. So now I am going to start from periodic table. What is periodic table? How can we define? We can define periodic table as the tabular arrangement of elements on the basis of increasing atomic number is called periodic table. So such tabular arrangement in which elements are arranged on the basis of their increasing order of atomic number is called periodic table. On the basis of block, periodic table are divided into four blocks, that is S block elements, P block elements, D block elements and F block elements. If we are going to draw a structure or general format of periodic table, then it becomes it is the skeletal form of periodic table, in which periodic table is divided into four blocks. Number one, S block, which include elements of group 1A and 2A, alkali metals and alkaline earth metals. P block, which include elements from 3A up to 7A. 8A are inert gases, zero group or noble gases. In mostly periodic table, 8A group separate from P block because all the elements wants to get electronic configuration like group 8A elements including helium, neon, argon, krypton and xenon and radon. Because all are stable elements, they have complete their octet and duplet. Now, metal elements are called D block elements, which are starting from 3B to 8B, then 1B and 2B, and other elements which are called lanthanide or actinide series, which are belongs to F block elements. There are two series. Lanthanide series contain 14 elements. Actinide series after actinium contain 14 elements. It means that there are total 28 elements in F block. It means that on the basis of electronic configuration in which last electron enter, there are four subshells, S, P, D, F. On the basis of electronic configuration of subshells, periodic table is divided into four blocks, that is S block elements, P block elements, D block elements and F block elements. In periodic table, elements are arranged horizontally and vertically. The vertical arrangement of elements is known as group, while the horizontal arrangement of elements is called period. It means that how can we define group? In group, we always move from top to bottom. And what is group? Vertical columns. Vertical columns of elements in periodic table is called group. When we move from top to bottom in any group, number of electron remains constant while the number of shell increases. If we are going to talk about period, what is period? horizontal rows of elements, that is horizontal rows of elements in periodic table is called period. We always move from left to right in periodic table. When we move from left to right in each period, number of shells remains constant while the number of electron increases. It means that we have done here the definition of periodic table, that is the tabular arrangement or such tabular arrangement of elements in which elements are arranged on the basis of their increasing order of atomic number is known as what? Periodic table. Periodic table is divided into 4 blocks, that is S, P, D, F block. Elements are arranged in periodic table in vertical form and horizontal form. Vertical columns of elements in periodic table is called group. Horizontal rows of elements in periodic table is called period. Group number represent total number of valence electrons, while period number, what represent period number? Period number represent total number of shells. Period number denoted by, you can say, coefficient. If we write the electronic configuration of any particular element, the highest coefficient represent period number, and period number represent total number of shells. It means that group number represent total number of electrons in valence shell. If any element belongs to group 1A, it means that it contains 1 electron in their valence shell. Group 2A contain 2 electrons in their valence shell, and group 8A contain 8 electrons in their valence shell. If any element belongs to period 1, it means that it has only one shell, that is K shell, and only one subshell, that is S subshell. If any element belongs to period 2, it means that the valence shell will be L and the subshell will be P. If any element belongs to M shell, it means that third shell, it means that it belongs to M shell or its valence shell is M and its valence subshell is D. Hope all the points are related with periodic table definition, vertical, horizontal arrangement and block. All the points will be clear. If you have any query regarding introduction in periodic table, definition, group, period and block, you can ask or directly comment. Till then, अपना ख्याल रखें. Allah Hafiz.